We're getting some breaking inputs now. The lawyer of actor Darshan has brushed aside all the allegations. He says that Darshan has not been arrested and that this is not a cognizable offence. Neha is getting us more details on that. So the lawyer is denying that the actor has been placed under arrest.
So sir, we have met our client. Still, it's in under process of investigation. I'll talk to you later.
Okay, sir, has he been arrested?
No, he's not arrested. Still, he's in under investigation. That's it. They are taking this.
Okay, what was the suspected role in this? Why has he been called in for questioning?
We don't know. Still, it's in investigation.
Why is against him, sir, for which he was brought in here?
Really, we don't know. Just police are investigating this case. Let's see. In this case, see, this is not a cognizable offence. See, sometimes they will give the notice. Sometimes they will also violate the. They will not give the notice. Let's see. Police will inform me after 2 hours. Then I will go and I will inquire and I will inform you. No, not necessary. Still, they are not arrested. It's in the under investigation.
So anticipating an arrest.
Even Darshan also don't know what is this.
All right. Neha, lawyer says Darshan also does not know what's happening. And as of now, the lawyer maintains that Darshan has not been arrested.
Well, Swati, precisely, of course, this is a very high-profile case there, and we're seeing efforts, possibly on, of course, from his advocate side here to try and, of course, reveal the bare minimum that he possibly could in this case. We're seeing that even as the Karnataka Home Minister there, G. Parameshwara, has confirmed to our team that, he has been arrested, the advocates here clearly stating the otherwise. In fact, it's important now because, the actor, of course, who's being grilled inside this police station right now at the Annapurneshwari police station is, in fact, he has been inside for nearly about a good 2 hours at least. Now, we've, of course, been seeing the manner in which this entire case has been playing out. We've seen that it's not just actor Darshan, but actor Pavitra Gowda also, who was, in fact, a model earlier. She's also been brought in now for questioning. Like Deepak was mentioning earlier, we've managed to access, from our sources, those exclusive details of the inside investigation that's taking place at the Annapurneshwari Nagar police station. So what was their role really? Were they involved? More importantly, of course, was this done at the behest of anyone? All of this is something that's being probed at the moment. But, an interesting sight, of course, that's coming to light here from outside the Annapurneshwari police station, where several fans of the actor have, in fact, gathered outside right now, possibly to get a glimpse of him, possibly to express their support here. Because at the end of the day, of course, this is one of Sandalwood's biggest actors. And how this case, of course, is going to pan out is going to possibly, have a huge bearing as well on his, cinematic career there. So we'll really have to wait and see.
Absolutely, it's a high-profile case. The lawyer maintains that he has not been arrested. The Home Minister of Karnataka did definitely say that the police, probably have some evidence and that they've given them a free hand to